This is the Onyx Boox Note Plus. This is the third 10.3-inch device they've made by Onyx. You can see some specs at the bottom there. We like to always crack this open on camera. We like to point out that this is the only Onyx device that says it is a 10.3-inch e-ink flat e-reader. I've never opened this. We're opening it legitimately for you on camera, so I have no idea what they mean by that, or if something just got lost in translation. So we'll pull off the sleeve. The sleeve is very nice. It has a really hard cardstock to it, and people might think that that's an irrelevant point, but it does show you that the company goes the extra mile to put good packaging. Let's go over the checklist. You get the e-reader itself, of course, USB-C cable, stylus, warranty card, and the quick start guide to show you what the device is all about. I guess what they meant by that was that it was a flat screen, flush screen and bezel, unlike the Onyx Boox Note Lite. You do have a button at the bottom here. You do have a flush screen and bezel, no physical page turn buttons on the side. You do have a power/sleep button built in with a status indicator light. On the back, you do have stereo speakers, and I will point out that this is the first Onyx product that, well, at least they have sent us with a silver backing. Every other device has had black. I don't know if that's a color choice or not. They still have the Torx screws here, so you can actually crack this open and service the device. We don't recommend doing that yourself. You have a USB-C, which is really nice because it's a really modern feel to have a USB-C. Not only can the cord be put in either way, you also get faster charging, faster data speeds, and you have a microphone. It is not a hard reset button. So that's everything that comes along in the box for the Boox Note Plus. If you guys have any other questions, let us know.